not much of a fielder, but you can sure locate. What you barking at? Come on, let's get out of here. Get it, will you? Hey, guys. Oh, Big Tom. What's the matter, Ernie? You'd never believe it unless you saw it. Come on, I need witnesses. I want you guys to see this for yourselves. What is it? Quick time or something? It's right there. It's gone. It's gone. The electronic disc. It was right there. I saw it. Tramp saw it. The what disc? Electronic. Metallic body of some sort. You mean a flying saucer? You saw a flying saucer? Whatever you call it. I saw it right there. Ernie, any little green man come out of a little spaceship and talk to you? Teeny weeny little green man? No, all I saw was the disc. Sure you did. Ernie, I think you should tell it to somebody important, like your head shrinker. Come on, let's go. We did see a Tramp. We didn't imagine it. We did see something.
You saw a what?